Look, no one is doing what I'm doing in this ecom space. You see, I feel like this ecom dropshipping space on YouTube or Twitter or basically any type of social media, it has such a bad rep. There's a lot of people that are exaggerators, liars, scammers, untrustworthy, and it's disgusting to see. And before I even got into ecom and I started just doing YouTube, I always went the route of just being authentic. I said, when I start YouTube, my main goal is authenticity, because there's so much garbage out there. There's so much bullshit. There's so much bad things. I don't know how else to explain it. And I always saw that God's watching me, and I wouldn't feel right. I wouldn't be able to sleep at night knowing I'm doing stupidity, manipulating or persuading people into false ideas. Look, you can just test me right now. I remember when I was scaling my first winner, my YouTube channel was doing the best. I could have easily just continued to post numbers even after the product died, and I could have just keep lying, because I could have just saw the golden object, like, oh my god, my YouTube is doing so fucking good, let me just put bigger and bigger numbers in my titles and show fake number, but look, it's been months since my last big winner, and I'm still recording here every day telling you the truth that I'm no longer scaling a winner and I'm testing products. Truth and authenticity is my number one goal. And the reason why I say no one's doing this like me, because I don't want to make this video too long, because I want people to watch this. I'm building a team. Again, no one's doing this like me. So as you guys know, obviously, I have a Discord community. And basically every fucking ecom guru or every person in ecom is doing that. But you see, mine's a bit different. So again, everyone has their free access, and then they're private, where people pay. Well, for me right now, it's all free. And trust me, that's not the reason why I'm different. But it's all free. But I still have open, public, and I have a private. So my private's called VIP Legends. And how do you get access to this VIP Legends? Well, we're just already... It started off by me just accepting people who I trust. And now we're kind of like a little team. And again, this is not where you just pay me and get in. This is strictly a team. And I don't think anyone else is doing this on the internet, where I just hopped on a call with like the 10 people that are in this VIP group. And I told everyone to turn your cameras on, like no more of this like Discord name, anonymous type shit. Like, turn on your cameras. Let's introduce each other. Okay? We all introduced each other. Talked about what our name is, what our experience is, what our goals and values are for e-commerce or just in life in general. So we all met each other. We took, a few minutes to introduce ourselves. And then I told them, okay, look, from now on, we're going to pretend like we're boys in real life. Like, we're best buddies in real life, all doing e-commerce and all trying to figure it out. So therefore, that means this tight VIP group, this is my team, we're all going to share all our tests, all our winners, our losers, our metrics, our everything, pretending like we're friends and like we're helping each other out. Like, oh no, I tested that product, it didn't work. Oh guys, I want to test this product. What do you think? This is my website. This is my offer. Oh, I'm testing this product and it's getting me good sales. This is a good strategy or whatever it is. But no one's doing that. Everyone doesn't, like, everyone's scared to show their shit. But right now, I am not joking. We have it all set up now, where we're going to meet up every week on a call and have all the chats set up of our winning products that made us profit, with all our products, our creatives, the metrics, everything. We share everything. A lot of communities, even like very private communities. Like, I'm in some private communities that cost thousands of dollars. People are still scared because there's like a lot of people in it still. Even if it costs thousands of dollars, there's still like 100+ people. But this is not paid. It's all free. The only requirements to get in this is if you join my Discord, my community, and as a group, because we're a team. Like I said, I keep saying we're a team. We come to a conclusion that this person is providing good value without asking anything in return, generosity and loyalty. Those are two, because loyalty is so important in this group because we need to be able to trust each other so we can show and demonstrate everything we're doing, right? So for me, loyalty is number one. But again, no one's doing this. But I feel like the reason why I started this is because for the selected few that are in this, that I've chosen, I believe in them. And I see these people as people that I can meet in real life. Maybe, eventually be in a condo together since we made a bag, But having a community like this online, especially, like obviously in person, if you have your real life friend and you're both in e-commerce, you're going to share everything. But having this online from people across the world, because online people are scared. They don't trust people. But I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to say, no, this fucking super tight community, you can trust. You can trust me. Everyone I accept in this fucking community, you can trust. We can trust each other. Because when we share everything, we're going to 10x our fucking... No one's doing this. No one. Everyone's kind of like lone wolfing it. If we fucking do this, we're going to 10x our speed, our growth, our results. And by the end of the year, we'll be way more advanced than everyone else that's doing it alone, who's not sharing each other's failures or lessons or even wins. So, yeah. No one's doing this shit. And if you feel like you want to be a part of something new, be part of a movement that this shit, like, we're going to fucking go to the moon. Look, bro, join the Discord and go and participate. Prove to me that you're here and you want to be part of this. You want to be loyal. You want to be generous. You want to give value without asking for anything in return. You just do it. I have people that come in my Discord and they just spit fucking value without anything in return. I add them right away. But obviously we have to keep it tight. So it's only a very selective few. We're already 10 people. But look, there's certain requirements. If people in the community right now don't follow requirements, they get kicked out. They leave. I'm not fucking around with this. This shit's very serious. You have to be strict with this because, again, trust, it revolves around trust. If this trust is broken, it all collapses. But like I'm saying, I'm just excited because, like, realistically, this is like, no one's doing this shit, bro. Like, no one's, like, I can't explain it to you how excited I am. Because, like, it's so hard for people to trust other randoms, I guess you want to say, online. But I'm turning this shit around. I'm saying, no, bro. You need a team to go far. You can't do this shit alone. You want to go fast? Sure, go alone. But if you want to go far, you need a team. Like I said, everyone in that fucking community right now, I see them as boys in real life, eating dinners together, collaborating with shit, maybe business or anything. They're my team. Like, they're my team. Like, when I get big, bro, I need a team to move around with. I'm just hyped. I'm excited. The boys in there are fucking... And no one's doing this shit. I'm changing the game, bro. Everyone has these fucking scammy image around them. Like, oh, they're shit. They're liars. Nah. I keep this shit 100%. All the time. I know he's watching. I keep this shit real. And I forever keep this shit real. You have my fucking word. Anyways. Bro, join the Discord. Let's be real. Join the Discord. First of all, support the YouTube. I'd really appreciate it if you do. Obviously, supporting the YouTube is already a plus in my eyes. And again, join the Discord. We're even just the public. We're an amazing community. Because, bro, these smaller communities share so much value We're not a big community yet, but the small ones get so much value. So get in before it gets too old, like, you know, too many people get in there. So join in because there's value being spitting because it's so tight, and even just the public, it's so tight still. But yeah, if you love what I'm talking about, you want to be a part of it, join the community, and prove to me that you're one of the boys. And just keep hustling, and I'll fucking see you at the top.